So welcome to the project, a design of a drilling machine control based on manual and automatic. So here you are going to control a direct drilling machine based on automatic as well as a manual mode. So this initially, please see the design. So here the drilling machine is interfaced to the entire setup of stepper motor. So this stepper motor is interfaced to the drilling point unit and it has been interfaced to the relay switch, to which directly AC 230 volts has been plugged in. So this relay switch acts as a switch between the programmer, nothing but the microcontroller unit, and to the direct drilling machine. So here there is up and down movement. So here you are going to have even the limit switches also. This limit switch is going to give a kind of limit for the programmable drilling machine to stop to that extent. So beyond this, the drilling machine cannot move either up or down. So this is the limit switch to have a control for the movement of the drilling. And next, so this is the microcontroller in which you are going to program up to operate the entire device. So this is microcontroller PIC. So for this microcontroller, this is the entire power supply unit, and to this you are going to interface all. This is the entire driver unit of the stepper motor to drive the drilling machine. So here these are the MOSFETs and the drivers using transistors to drive the stepper motor for the movement of the drilling machine for forward and backward, up and down motion. So this is the input of the entire device. So through using these control buttons, you are going to set the drilling machine unit either in a manual mode or to an automatic mode. This particular button where you can see a M particular character being written. So using this button you can set the drilling machine to a manual mode. So once if you select to a manual mode, using these two particular buttons, you can either make the drilling machine move up down from this button and or downwards from this particular button. So using these two buttons you can have the motion of the drilling machine. And coming to this particular switch, which is a white colored one, through which you can start the drilling using this relay switch. So this is the port setting. When you go for an automatic mode, so using this port you are going to set the thickness of the object and the drilling limit of the object. Just we'll see the output. So as you on the power kit, you can see the title of the project, manual drilling machine and automatic one. So you're going to get initializing one. So here when you press the manual button, so on LCD till you get manual mode enabled, continuous pressing of manual button should be done. The white, the drilling movement will be started. Using this up arrow button, the down arrow button, the movement from top to bottom and bottom to top can be controlled. Can also be pressed at a time. This is entirely how the manual mode has been operated. When you go for an automatic mode, so once the system has set to an automatic mode, once after you enter like to an automatic mode path, so it asks for the thickness of the object. So initially you have to give the thickness of the object based on potentiometer, nothing but the pot. So the exact thickness of the object should be mentioned. So here the maximum limit is up to 30 mm. So below 30 mm to any of the limit you can set using the pot. Suppose if I choose for a demo sake of 20 mm, this is the object thickness. So when you go for the depth, here you have to enter even the depth to which the object to be drilled. Suppose it is like 15 mm or something like so depth is around so first you have to enter the object thickness and next you have to enter depth of So if you need the same depth, again press the same button of M. We just put a particular object for a demo purpose. When you press the button, you can in this way you can drill any particular object till the depth being mentioned in the automatic mode. Thank you.